Welcome back. And for those of you that are new, welcome. Very nice to meet you. My name is Kyle. Alongside my cooking and kitchen tips, this is Thor, my supervisor and my taste tester. He's getting a little nap in. Decided to try something different today. Step outside of the kitchen in this beautiful fall weather. It's pretty windy, so I hope you can hear me okay. Really just kind of wanted to go over a couple things, really where I get all my protein from and where all the ideas and the creations come up from the cooking channel. Hang around till the end of this video. I'll be doing a quick freezer tour and asking input about the next meal that y'all want to see me prepare in the kitchen alongside Thor as well. So I grew up ever since I was about a year and a half old. I grew up spending my summers in Alaska and Canada. Was very fortunate that my parents had a position in corporate America that allowed them to have the summers off. So grew up fishing, crabbing, catching halibut and salmon, Dungeness crab, any of the creatures that live up there in Alaska, and was able to bring those back to the house every single summer and live off that during the winter, which was pretty awesome. I developed my passion for fishing, hunting, cooking our catch. Alongside my tips and memories in Alaska, I'm an avid hunter. I currently reside in the state of Colorado, including deer, elk, and then growing our own fruits and vegetables in our garden in the backyard as well. So I've been cooking the majority of my life. Some of the best dishes don't come from recipes, they come from off the cuff ideas where you put a little bit of this together, a little bit of that together, put it all together, and then it really comes out to something fabulous. Let's be honest, that's exactly how recipes are created in the first place. Try this, you try that. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. But mom's recipes and grandma's recipes, the best ones that you just can't quite seem to recreate, they went through trial and error to get that. My goal for you is to enjoy cooking all these proteins without spending countless hours prepping, seasoning, and in the kitchen. Good cooking doesn't necessarily need to take countless hours, and the end results can be amazing. Putting together certain ingredients in certain manners to your specific taste buds and likings can really create or recreate a specific recipe that your family can enjoy for years to come. My goal of bringing you flavorful dishes in just minutes can really transform the way that you think about cooking. So I understand we're all busy, right? We've got jobs, kids, daycare, animals. We've got to clean the house, get gas, go grocery shopping, pay the bills, hit the gym. There's a million things, but at the end of the day, we all have 24 hours in a day, so it's what we spend our time on, right? What we choose to spend our time on that makes us busy or not busy, and prioritizing the things that are important to us. So again, I created this YouTube channel to really bring to you, you guys and gals, certain recipes that I like to put together in under a couple minutes, cook it and enjoy it with my family. Again, it doesn't need to take hours. Some of these recipes are super packed with flavor, and you can put it together and assemble it in under 10 minutes. Creating appetizers, lunches, dishes isn't always about following the recipe, but improvising, creating your own style based on your own taste buds and your own flavor profile. So again, there's no wrong way to create a recipe. If you like the ingredients that are going in the recipe, that's going to be a win. Again, sometimes we create something, we put it together, and we take a bite, and the answer is 2 thumbs down, no way. I started creating YouTube videos to educate anyone that has the slightest interest in cooking. Now, I'm no Michelin star chef, but the right ingredients and the right prep, meals can come together quickly and for generations. I'd be curious to know, do you have a certain recipe that you grew up with, that you still cook constantly, that you can't live without? Leave a comment below. I'd be curious to learn about your favorite recipes, and hey, maybe I'll even try to create them one day. I appreciate all the support you guys and gals have given so far. It really means the world to me and helps me continue creating recipes and having fun while cooking. One of the cool things about all the ingredients that I use, about 95% or so are all natural. No hormones, no preservatives, no chemicals whatsoever. So we've got support from family that grows corn and watermelons and zucchinis and honeydew and cucumbers. We grow tomatoes in the backyard, we grow jalapenos, and then obviously the hunting and the fishing as well brings a lot of the protein into the mix too. So really proud to cook with all these natural ingredients as well, that are not stuffed with hormones and preservatives. I'm not sure if you can see behind me the beautiful fall weather, but the trees are already starting to turn red. Let's turn this around, see if I can capture. So look at those trees, absolutely beautiful out here today. Nice red trees, fall weather is coming in. Time to head back home and take a freezer tour. Freezer tour number 1, beef. Got all sorts of beef, just got about a third of a cow. So we've got some filet mignon, we've got some soup bones, about 80 or 90 pounds of ground beef here sitting in the bottom. We've got some skirt steaks, some chuck roasts, some tenderized blade round steaks, some beef soup bones. So this is where the beef stash comes from, grain and grass fed. Again, no hormones, no antibiotics. Let's head on over to freezer number 2. Freezer number 2. Got some homegrown pumpkins sitting over there. Inside door number 2, we've got about 80 or 90 corn on the cobs. We've got some fresh roasted green chilies right here. I just got back from a turkey hunt a few months ago. So we've got a bunch of wild turkey, which is super delicious as well. There's the tail of that beautiful, beautiful bird. We've got some sirloin tip from deer in here as well. Just got done making our own tomato sauce. So as you can see, that one is spicy, and then this one is regular. We've got about 10 or 12 pounds of ground elk left. On this side, we've got some more salmon, a couple pieces of halibut, and then under there is some poor beagle shark. We just got back from bluefin tuna fishing about a year or two ago, and still have some of that left as well. And then down here, we've got some kokanee salmon, some more roasted green chilies. We've got some pork fat back there as well. Rainbow trout. And then these 3 bags right here are dove. In the door, we've got some ground elk. And then up here, we've got some venison sausage and then a bag of homemade tamales. Let's head on over to freezer number 3. And under door number 3, we've got a bull elk last year, so this is what's left of the bull elk. We've got some back straps, some tenderloins, some top and bottom rounds is there in there as well. We've got some pig in here, all sorts of different cuts and sausage from the pig. We've got about a deer, a little bit less than a deer here. So we've got some tenderloins, some steaks, some sirloin tips, top round and bottom round, some back strap. And then we just got back from a very successful trip to Alaska. So this drawer right here, that's all going to be fresh halibut from Alaska. And then this drawer is all coho silver salmon from Alaska, all vacuum packaged and sealed as well. And then this is a mixture of silver salmon, Dungeness crab, and then a few pieces of halibut in there as well. And then again in the door, we've got some pork sausage right here. We've got some sable fish that a friend gave us in Alaska, some smoked black cod, aka sable fish. And then over here, we do have the halibut cheeks that kind of cook up like scallops. And to end the video, just a few vegetables. So we've got some Cherokee tomatoes that were just ripening up there on the ceiling. We do have some poblano peppers that will be cooked in the next day or so here, courtesy of a family member. And then some homegrown and fresh zucchini here as well. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all in the kitchen.